Vita Detox is a full body detox to help to detoxify internal toxins. Maybe you're feeling tired, you have aches and pains, you have difficulty losing weight. Well, Vita Detox is a safe and easy and effective way to get rid of those toxins, and so easy to do. Just 2 capsules twice a day, and when you ingest the Vita Detox, it starts to work immediately to alleviate those toxins in the bloodstream, in the lungs, in the cardiovascular system, as well as in the liver, our largest internal detox organ, as well as the kidneys, the stomach, the large and small intestine, the lymphatic system, and the blood system as well. A comprehensive full body detox so that you can get back to your healthiest you. Vita Detox from Vita Tree Nutritionals. You'll absolutely love it.